Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and now let's explore with me. Stim Contour. The Stim Contour is a road marking machine manufactured by the Belarusian company Stim. This machine can automatically create road markings and can be controlled remotely by an operator. When in operation, it can paint road lines with a width of 38 cm using sprayers located on both sides. The machine features a paint tank with a capacity of 92 gallons. While painting road markings, it can operate at a maximum speed of 4.8 km/h. The Stim Contour is suitable for painting both concrete and asphalt roads and can be used in temperate climates with ambient temperatures ranging from 5 to 30 degrees Celsius. Kojimagumi Grab Dredger. The Kojimagumi Grab Dredger is a machine used for underwater material dredging manufactured by a Japanese company. This is the largest dredging machine in the world, weighing 7,052 tons. With each scoop, it can lift up to 480 tons of material, equivalent to 200 cubic meters. The bucket on this machine is 36 meters wide, weighs 690 tons, and can dredge up to 48 meters below the water surface. When in use, the machine can reach an area with a radius of 31 meters and has a jib length of 31 meters. The dredger is equipped with an electric hydraulic system that can handle both soft and very hard materials. APE Octagon machine. A vibratory hammer is a type of heavy machinery used in piling processes by utilizing vibrations generated by a motor. One of the largest vibratory hammers in the world is the APE Octagon, manufactured by American Pile Driving from the United States. The APE Octagon has a driving force of up to 40,000 kilonewtons and a power output of 9,600 horsepower. The APE Octagon was used in the construction of the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge in China, which was the largest bridge construction project in the world in 2011. The piles used in this bridge project had a diameter of 22 meters, a length of 40 meters, and a weight of 500 tons. For this project, the APE Octagon was transported by ship and then assembled at the project site. In addition to the APE Octagon, there is another type called the APE Supercon. This machine was used in the offshore wind turbine installation project at the Rifgat site in the Netherlands. For this project, 4 APE Supercongs were used, providing a total piling force of around 19,832 kilonewtons. The APE Supercong machines were used to drive 16 piles with diameters varying between 2 meters and 3.2 meters, with a total weight of 200 tons. Grippin 040. The Grippin 040 is an attachment made by the Swedish company HSP. This attachment can be installed on various types of vehicles and heavy machinery, serving to lift various materials such as poles, iron rods, stones, and more. The Grippin 040 features a claw-like tool that grips materials very firmly when lifting them. Many construction companies collaborate with HSP to use the Grippin 040. For instance, a German company installs the Grippin 040 on their trucks to lift and install steel plates on roads. This tool has been modified with additional iron to facilitate lifting and placing the steel plates. The truck equipped with the Grippin 040 is operated by a single operator. During operation, the operator moves to a cabin at the back of the truck to control the Grippin 040. The truck can also be controlled remotely by the operator, allowing precise positioning at the desired location without the need for the operator to drive the truck manually. GRT Enviro Binder. Enviro Binder is a liquid used to prevent soil erosion. This binder is made from a special liquid mixed with water and then sprayed onto the soil surface. During the process, the sprayed liquid penetrates the soil and binds the loose granular soil. Once dried, the soil surface becomes water-resistant, thereby preventing erosion. Enviro Binder is typically used on soils prone to erosion, such as slopes along roadsides. The materials used in Enviro Binder are non-toxic and do not affect the growth of surrounding plants. After application, the liquid can last up to 6 months, and under certain conditions, it can even last up to 24 months. Load handler. The load handler is a device installed on various types of pickup trucks designed to easily unload various materials without requiring much effort. The load handler is mounted on the truck bed with a tarp that is spread across the entire deck of the pickup. After that, materials are placed on the load handler tarp. The working mechanism of the load handler is similar to that of a conveyor belt, but it is manually operated with just one hand. When the material needs to be unloaded from the pickup, the owner simply turns a crank located next to the tailgate, and the material will gradually move off the deck of the pickup. The tarp of the load handler is made from a very strong polyester material. It can unload materials weighing up to 1 ton. During the unloading process, the materials will not scratch the deck of the pickup because they are protected by the load handler tarp. After use, the load handler can be quickly and easily removed. The part of the load handler that attaches to the tailgate is made of coated rubber, ensuring it won't scratch the surface. High-track trencher. The high-track trencher is the latest type of trenching machine manufactured by Royal IFC, a company based in the Netherlands. This high-track trencher is designed for the installation of submarine cables for wind turbines in shallow waters. The machine is equipped with a 4-track undercarriage system, enabling it to operate in extreme and uneven terrain with inclinations of up to 20 degrees. The high-track trencher can install submarine cables 50% faster than similar machines. It weighs 20 tons, is equipped with a 1,200 kilowatt engine, and can dig trenches up to a depth of 3.3 meters. The machine can easily maneuver and features an integrated control system operated by a surface operator. Developed from 2 years of research, the high-track trencher measures approximately 4.5 meters in length, 3.5 meters in width, and 2.75 meters in height. Colas tunnel washing truck. Tunnel walls often accumulate dirt due to vehicle emissions passing through them. To address this, tunnels are typically cleaned once a year. A French company named Colas has developed an automated tunnel washing truck called Octopus. The Octopus is equipped with 8 robotic arms that operate automatically and are controlled remotely by an operator. In a single pass, the Octopus can clean tunnel walls using minimal water and no detergent, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. The cleaning process for a tunnel takes only about 5 minutes for a length of 300 meters,